What is the value of the expression 4 squared minus 46 divided by 2 multiplied by 5? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is so tricky that many people end up with the wrong answer. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. To solve this question, many people start by calculating 4 squared first, and instead of the original expression, they rewrite it as 16 minus 46 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. And the next step, they usually perform the subtraction between 16 and 46 and simplify this expression to negative 30 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. Then, they proceed by doing the division between negative 30 and 2, which gives them negative 15 multiplied by 5. And finally, they multiply negative 15 by 5, which ends up with the answer negative 75. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option B is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say we were too rigged, and it's not the correct answer to this question. Also, some other people when solving this question first go for the expression 4 squared, and they simplify to 16 minus 46 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. And the next step, they usually go for the multiplication between 2 and 5 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, they rewrite this expression as 16 minus 46 divided by 10. Next, they perform the division between 46 and 10 since they believe division has priority over subtraction. And they rewrite this expression as 16 minus 4.6, which ultimately gives them the answer 11.4. And immediately, they conclude that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, that's definitely wrong. Alright, now let me walk you through a step by step how to solve this expression correctly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Okay, as you can see in the image, in this expression, first we have an exponent, then a subtraction sign, followed by a division, and finally a multiplication. We should start with the exponent, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operation. So, this expression simplified to 16 minus 46 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. And the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, since multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. However, it's very important to note that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first perform the division between 46 and 2, and this expression simplified to 16 minus 23 multiplied by 5. And the final step, we do the multiplication between 23 and 5, which gives us 16 minus 115. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to negative 99. That's great. Option A is the correct answer to this question.